What is Qurbani? Qurbani refers to the annual sacrifice of livestock animals. It is a sunnah of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, which serves to remind us of the great act of sacrifice that the Prophet Ibrahim and Ismail alayhis salam were willing to perform for the sake of Allah. Qurbani is carried out on the days of Eid al-Adha, which marks the completion of Hajj. Qurbani promotes the concepts of charity and togetherness, as it is customary to give 1/3 of the sacrificial meat to charity, to give 1/3 to your relatives and friends, and to keep 1/3 for yourself and your family. Qurbani is mandatory if you're an adult, if you're sane, and if you have the nisab, payable amount of zakat for each year as applicable. You can complete your Qurbani with Al-Khair Foundation by offering a goat or sheep. These animals are considered small animals and fulfill one person's Qurbani obligation. Or you could give a cow or camel. These animals are considered large animals and are split into 7 shares, with each share completing one person's Qurbani obligation. Let's take a look at some of Al-Khair Foundation's livestock farms in South Asia and Africa. These farms take care of animals year-round, ready for Eid al-Adha. Complete your Qurbani today with Al-Khair Foundation. Your sacrifice is their Eid. Call on 03000 999 786 or visit alkhair.org. You can now complete your Qurbani with our new mobile phone application, available on Android and iOS devices.